Hello, my name's Jo, and today I'm going to talk to you about iron-on and sewing labels. The iron-on labels, sometimes known as name tags or uniform labels, very simple and easy to do, and it's a great way of producing extra income from your ribbon writer. This is the iron-on material and sits in place of the ribbon inside the ribbon printer and passes under the print head. The material itself will wash to 40 degrees, and you do of course need to make sure you're using the washable foils. They are washable up to 60 degrees and we currently stock them in red, blue and black. Here we have some examples of the iron-on labels. We have this on a tie with a small motif which the children do enjoy. Here on a child's shirt and also on some sportswear. If you think of your locality, you'll have schools, nursing homes, sports clubs, all sorts of people that you can market and sell into. To help you do this, on the download section of our website, we've put two forms for you. This is an order form and it's been designed so that you can put your own business name and information on there. We also have the customer user instructions to give out with every sale that you make of these iron-on labels. I'll show you now a quick and easy way to create a run of the iron-on labels. So we load the iron-on material onto the spindle at the back where the ribbon usually sits. We've loaded on some black waterproof foil and the iron-on material simply feeds through the two ribbon guides and out of the front. So engage our print head and we're ready to go. It's better when you're printing onto the iron-on all the sewing labels to use a clear, bold font. Here I've used Arial, but Comic Sans, New Times Roman, absolutely fine. I've typed the child's name in and rotated it by 90 degrees. If you want to, you can add an image as well, but remember to keep it in alignment with the name. I've moved the right-hand marker up as close as I can to the name, approximately 1 centimetre per label. Go into the print area, put in the amount of repeats that you need and change the spacing between repeats to 0. I'm going to send 6 repeats and print. And there you have it, a run of labels. The labels are sent out in a continuous strip and it's down to Mum to cut between each label and iron them on, following the instructions that you give out with each sale. And that's it. As well as producing iron-on labels, you can also produce sewing labels. The product we use to do this is the Cut Edge White Polyester, and we supply it now in 10mm, 15mm, 20mm and 25mm. This is a particularly good way of using your waterproof foil as you thread the ribbons through the newly produced multi-adapters. Here on the 10mm, you can print 5 ribbons at one time. On the 15mm, you can print up to 3, and we now have the newly launched 25mm. Again, you can print 3 ribbons at one time. As well as producing labelling for uniforms, for sports clubs, old people's homes, on the wider ribbon, which is a 45mm, you can also now produce bespoke labels for those in business perhaps who are producing handmade soft toys, soft furnishings, people who are producing crafted goods such as silk scarves, all sorts of variety of handmade clothing. I'm going to show you now how to print onto sew-on labels using one of the new multi-width adapters. I've chosen to print onto 15mm, but I'm only going to use 2 of the 4 slots available to me. My ribbon is loaded at the back and it's threaded through the multi-width adapter, which is pushed firmly into the groove, and the ribbons come out at the front. We're loaded with black waterproof foil, so let's engage the print head. Because I'm using the 15mm width adapter, I've already downloaded the template that goes with it. You'll find all these templates on our website in the download section. Once the template has been downloaded, simply go into Load Design, select the template and click on ribbon 1 and ribbon 2, put the name of the child in, and they correspond with ribbon 1 and ribbon 2. Bring your right hand margin up as close as you need. Simply go into print, select the number of repeats you require as before, and send. And there we are. Once your ribbon run is completed, have you thought about how you're going to present it and send it out to your customer? A good way of doing this is by using one of our plain ribbon cards. Simply wind the ribbon around it. It looks both professional and it's a good way of sending it in the post. We've used diamond labelling across the top here and we've just mocked up a company. So self-promotion, when your customers used all the labels, they'll know where to come back to get more. I hope you've enjoyed today's demonstrations of how to produce iron-on and sew-in labels. For more help and information, for downloads for the templates, please go to our website www.ribbonprintingeurope.com, or you can phone us on 01905 780 182. Bye bye now.